Every decimal rational number with finite decimal places can also be expressed as a rational number of the form p upon q, where q is of some power of 10. Represent 0.7 on the number line. Let O be the origin and let A be the point 1. Now 0.7 is equal to 7 upon 10, where the numerator is 7 and the denominator is 10. Also, 0 is less than 0.7 is less than 1. So the point representing 0.7 is on line OA. Take the points dividing line OA into 10 equal parts on the number line. Each part has a length 1 upon 10. Now 7 upon 10 is equal to 7 into 1 upon 10. So take the 7th point of division to the right of O. Let it be P. Then OP is equal to 7 upon 10. So P represents 0.7.